Hey yo, what's up guys, Don the Boss back on the video. Anyways, thank you to my brother for a intro that he gave me. Not gave me, but he made for me. I really appreciate it. Like, shout out to him. Anyways guys, I'm gonna be eating today food, juice, and some peppers. So, see how it goes in the end. Guys, that food was delicious. I ate all of mine. It's really good. So, peace out. I know it's a short video, but it's okay.